The US government once tried to use nuclear bombs to dig holes, build harbors and carve highways. That is the Operation Plowshare, the Cold War experiment that asked, what if nukes were just really powerful shovels? It all began in 1957. The Cold War was in full swing and America was swimming in nuclear weapons. So the Atomic Energy Commission figured, why not to find a peaceful use for all that destructive power? Enter Operation Plowshare, a project aimed at using nuclear explosions for civil engineering, canals, mining and giant excavations, all done with a flick of a nuclear switch. One of the most infamous tests was Project Sedan, conducted in Nevada in 1962. A 104 kiloton nuclear device was detonated underground, blasting out a massive crater 1,280 feet wide and over 300 feet deep. It was impressive, terrifying, and incredibly radioactive. The explosion released significant fallout, contaminating parts of Nevada and even drifting into nearby states. Thousands of civilians were exposed to radiation, sparking public outcry. But they didn't stop there. Plowshare scientists proposed using nukes to dig a new Panama Canal, blast through mountains for railways, and even create a deep water harbor in Alaska, a plan that would have displaced native communities and devastated ecosystems. Unfortunately for the nuclear enthusiasts, none of these mega projects happened. The environmental risks, political pushbacks and radioactive reality were just too much to ignore. By the 1970s, the glow of optimism had faded. Plowshare had conducted 27 nuclear tests over 2 decades, but never found a practical or safe way to nuke Earth into submission. In 1977, the program was quietly shut down, leaving behind a legacy of radioactive craters and a very expensive lesson in hubris.